Call them all.
Come on, here you go, guys. Wait a minute.
There you guys.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Izzy.
Here.
Oh, Izzy's got her. Izzy's taking a regular one.
Oh, she's going to choke to death, Lane.
Izzy.
No, she's not.
Actually, she's got that.
She's doing a
Look
good
at
job.
Oh,
Here.
look at them. Look at them.
Here. Here.
See if you can...
Some of them took it off the plate and just said, I'm moving this. Tucker, come here,
Yeah,
Tucker.
they just scraped it
Down,
right
Tucker,
off.
sit.
Give Tucker one, Daddy.
I just did.
He did.
cleaned
Oh.
it right up.
Already ate it. That's
See,
why I
he
told
just
him
took it
to
like
sit
a spaghetti.
Pick Izzy up and give her that runny one.
Izzy, come here. Izzy. Here, baby. Come here.
down. All the plates are empty.
Come here, you little booger. I don't know what to do with it.
Just sit her down. Sit her down right there. Be fine.
Them other dogs will get in it.
Boy, they ate that cake fast.
Yeah, they did.
I couldn't even quite get the pictures before they inhaled on it. We were worried they were going to choke.
Oh my God! You don't have anything to show them all. They've all
I know. The plate's all empty.
All
They took
empty.
them. They already ate it.
2001, 2002. Look at Brody.
Look at that little Brody.
He's gonna
I'm
turn
gonna
them
collect
all
all the
over.
plates.
Look at Brody turning them over.
Yeah.
He's checking all of them out. Well, because there's some crumbs on the bottom.
Yeah, he says there's stuff on the bottom here.
Is that good?
Yeah, Hoss come in. He sure did.
Did Haas get one?
Ooh,
Everybody
yeah.
got one, yeah.
Oh, there's one underneath that one plate.
Oh, there is? No, they didn't see it.
Listen at Izzy. Listen at Izzy.
I hear
Oh
it.
yeah, she's gardening.
Where is it, you guys?
Who are we missing, Ma?
Where is it?
Seems like we're missing somebody. Sarah.
Oh, Sarah.
Tika, did you get one?
Tika didn't get
Oh,
one. Neither-
Sarah didn't get one. I think Tika had one.
No,
Listen at Izzy.
Oh yeah.
let me
There
see
you
if
go,
bark
you
at me.
little Tika.
Move, Daddy.
Are you going to bark at me?
Yeah.
Are you going to bark at me?
Take her on your leg. Oh yeah. Watch it, don't let her
Oh
touch
my
your hand
God.
off, Lynn.
It sounds like she's drowning, but she's not. She only barks at the dog. She doesn't bark at people. Oh, bitter. You can't get her food. Look at. Oh my God, she's killing me. She is hysterical.
Did Max get one, Mom?
I think
I
so.
think so.
Come here, Tika. Come here, Tika. Here, Tika.
Did you get it?
This is Tika. She's back now.
What'd you do, cut her another one?
She didn't get one.
She didn't get one.
Tika didn't get one?
No.
She did. I don't know why.
She just run back in here. and
Yeah, she
stayed
didn't
back.
come. She wasn't in
She
the
was afraid
crowd.
them dogs was gonna jump on her.
Good, Tucker. You're such a good boy.
Let me go get Sarah. the pig.
Hi, Max. Look at Max.
Keenan didn't get one, Mom.
Hi, Max.
Here, Keenan.
Hi, Maxie.
No, he won't come out of the bed.
Here, Keenan. There you go, everybody.
Look at her. Look at her butt up in the air. Yeah. It's hysterical.
This is Keenan.
Max, let me see you. Maxie. Hi, baby.
Look at her.
You like that, Molly? Yeah.
Miss Izzy.
Sonny didn't get one.
Miss Izzy, what do you think about the cake?
Oh, Sonny didn't get one.
Sonny.
What do you think about the cake, Miss Izzy? You think it's too sweet or not sweet enough? What do you think? You're bothering me, lady. Get out of my face.
Sonny, come here, buddy. Come here, buddy.
Hi, baby.
Sonny.
Is that good? Yeah. Is that good product?
Tucker, get back. Tucker. No.
Is that good?
Get off of him, Nick. Here, Sonny. There you go, buddy. Old Nick, old Keenan, he's back for seconds. Come here, Keenan. Whoops. Don't let him get it. Buster didn't get one, did he?
I think so.
I don't know if he did or not. Anyway, I got to take Sarah, please.
Give Maxie some more.
I give him.
Oh, did you?
Tucker needs a bigger piece.
Yeah, Tucker can have another big piece.
Oh, let me take more pictures. Oh my gosh, got everybody in here.
Just freeze, Pop. Just stay kind of still. Yeah.
Freeze.
Freeze.
Freeze. Prada. Did Prada get one?
Everybody had
Yeah,
one,
yeah,
trust
I
me.
got one.
Here, Max. Here's you another.
Did mind your way?
Oh no, he's right.
Here you go, Nick. Don't take my finger off.
I know.
Molly, you want a piece?
Look at Brody.
Yeah. He said, shoot, there's grub. I'm your
Oh,
guy.
how cute.
I'm your guy.
Isn't it Izzy in there?
Here, Molly.
Oh, I touched my phone.
If they all get sick, it's my fault.
Oh, they won't get sick. They just have the runs, but they won't get sick.
No.
Hey, you guys, green beans! I gotta get behind them because they're all facing him.
Look at that.
Be still a minute, Dad. Let Lynn get behind you.
Yeah.
Who's that behind you?
Yeah, let me get over here.
No, that's fine. That's fine. You're good.
Let me
Okay.
get back.
Green beans!
Sonny needs another one, Daddy. He's over here in the perimeter, all by his lonesome.
Yeah, I'll give him two. He's fooling you.
He knows the game.
He knows the game. He does.
That's precious. Look at Haas.
Yeah. You're tough. Josh Ben. Nick. Whoops. I gotta go cut Sarah another piece. I've cut her through a piece 4 times.
It's okay, you still got half a cake.
Yeah, I had the cake.
I couldn't believe how fast they ate it, and we were worried that they would choke. That was a joke.
They just, heck, that one piece we put down there,
I think it just went into one gulp.
they just, that's right, just inhaled it.
Yep, they ate it.
Oh, that's precious.
Let me get by you, Mom. I'm going to take this to Sarah.
Good luck.
Okay, guys, come this way. I'll turn around. Look.
Looky, she's got some.
Brody.
Come on, guys. Come on.
Sit.
Molly,
Sit,
Molly.
Sit. Oh, Brody, look what we got. Oh, Brody, good boy. Tucker. Good boy, Tucker. You are so good boy.
Is he still in there having her party by herself?
Oh, she turned around. She wasn't looking at everyone. Nobody was there. I was laughing. Buster. Oh, boy. Simba. Okay. Max, you ready?
Auntie Ling, do you want to have a birthday again tomorrow?
Okay. Oh, look at Bitta. She's scrapping for everything. Maxie Max, here, honey. Oh, no, Bitta. Bitta, no, honey. This is for Max. Max, you gotta stick up for yourself. Sonny, come here, Sonny. Sonny. Oh, no, Bitta, honey. All right, good boy. Keenan, you're so patient. Oh, good boy. You can stop dick for that one. Hoss, come here, Hoss. Oh, good boy. Yes. Everybody get one? I think so.
I don't think they cared whether it had any sugar in it or not.
I think they would have ate it if it was even whatever. An apple.
Look at Simba sitting pretty.
Yeah, Simba's really good about this. Yeah. Okay, Brody.
Me, Mom, me.
Simba. Oops, Bitta, did you get it? Alright, Bitta, you can have one here. Good. Tucker. Who's behind me? Prada, yeah. Buster. Keenan. Oh, Keenan's so cute. Okay, Sonny. No, honey. Sonny.
That bitter.
I know, she is really aggressive. Hoss, he's so patient. Yeah. Max, such a good boy. Who's coming in? Nick. I should have known it was you, Nick. Huh? We can't forget you, huh? Okay. What do you think? What's Mom think? One more?
I think that's enough.
Okay, Mom doesn't want to clean up too much poop. Good job, you guys. I wish the camera was straight down like this. It is spectacular.